So yeah, we're here at the Wet Car Show, the Speed Festival or whatever it's called. Super nice, a lot of brand new cars out here. We do have a couple classics, and even a lot of these newer cars have paint jobs that you could just see dirt nibs and dust and all that. But that's just the important things of getting the right steps. If you want to learn how to paint a car or want to bring a car to some show or whatever the case is, click on the link below and check out my free mini course where I break down the 4 parts of paint and body work, showing you how to pull dents out, prep, paint, and even wet sand and polish, which is what a lot of these cars out here need, to be honest. Yeah, really nice. So that car's been painted, this car's been painted. I saw a Lambo back there that's been painted with some dirt nibs on it. So yeah, this is where you really get into like high-end paint jobs on some of these classics that need restorations and stuff. Very nice. And you can see flaws in almost everything if you know what you're looking for. But yeah, a lot of nice cars. Let's go check out, let me go see if that's the Firebird that I painted before. Let's go. So walking around, here's this Pontiac Firebird, and I thought it was the one that I restored. A couple years ago, I did a restoration on a Firebird, and that thing came out super nice. We had to grind it all the way down to the metal. We did body work down the whole side. It was the same pretty much model with the wing, except that was a Formula, which had a two-tone. It had a flat black bottom with a decal, so it wasn't this one. But the same car, kind of rubber bumpers, all these trims, that back, that wing made out of fiberglass. Looks like it has a little bit of wear and tear here, maybe from polishing or something. So this one here is painted pretty nice. Not perfection, but enough to make it to a high-end show. So a lot of these cars have been painted before, and if you want to learn how to paint, you gotta make sure you know the right steps. It's all about the right steps, to be honest. And if you want to know those steps, then I suggest you click the link below and check out the mini course that I'm giving away for free right now, just to help you get on track. And I show you pretty much the 4 parts of painting a car. Corvette, the Mustang, a Camaro. There's a lot of newer cars. I see a little old classic pickup truck over there. I gotta go check that baby out. Oh, look at this bad boy. Wow, supercharged.
It's a little high for me, but it's pretty.
Yeah, it is pretty high. Wow, look at that. Supercharged. Very nice. Paint job is very nice too, honestly. When you look at it up and down, little waves here and there, but very nice. Very few flaws. Little dirt nib here and there, but beautiful paint job. Really nice. Oh, look at the little heavy flake in the back. Oh, nice. It's pretty cool. One of the things that all these older cars have in common is that they all have paint jobs on it. The newer cars, they come painted, but you put a new hood on it, a new wing, and you gotta paint it, and you gotta paint it to match. So a lot of the new cars also have been painted, but the old cars have the most intensive paint because they're almost restorations. Kind of like this Corvette right here. Very beautiful.
They fit nice. They're nice maps.
Yeah, really nice. Very nice and straight. And again, there's really not much perfections. I guarantee you I get this in the garage and I'll find flaws in it. Pretty guaranteed, but very nice. Very nice and straight. And some of these new cars, again, they're already painted, but I'll bet you I'll find some flaws in some of these new cars. So I can see sand scratches on this hood already, just walking by it. I can see a little bit of sand scratches and some dirt nibs on the hood. And again, that's just walking around it. I saw a dirt nib on that fender. So this fender and that hood's been painted before. I think that door over there's been painted. It won't surprise me if this thing's had a full paint job or has been painted halfway before. But that's totally normal. So even on this Corvette here, it's very, very nice, very straight. Yeah, very nice. Looks like the back bumper's been painted. I saw a Lamborghini with some dirt nibs on the hood. So I'm gonna have to come back next time and I guess kind of pick out people's flaws. But I don't think I'll be leaving here fully intact if I start nitpicking people's cars. All right, starting. I guess we found the classic side over here. So from the front, that Corvette, we got paint job, 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 paint job. Like I said, even half of these newer cars have been painted. If not full body, at least bumpers and hoods. And it's very hard to keep a car looking brand new and yet still using it. But all these cars right here, paint job, paint job. And some of these old school cars here, they're not even paint jobs, they're restorations. So that's like a whole nother level of paint job. Now again, another day, I'm gonna come back and start kind of nitpicking people's cars. And that's gonna be interesting. We're gonna stir up some stuff. So make sure you follow. And all these cars here are very nice and clean, but they almost all have paint jobs on it, to be honest. Almost all of them. So this little Ford truck here, everything's nice, all in and out. Ooh, I think this was my favorite right here. This Ford showing you step by step how to paint some of these cars out here, because the world needs some better painters, that's for sure. Some of these brand new Porsches, you could see little dirt nibs on the fenders and little dings and stuff. Look at this Lamborghini, wow. You know what's oh man, this thing has been a full paint job. So yeah, one of the, I can see in the paint jobs that we got some dirt nibs and we got some bubbles. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see, but right there, this is a Lamborghini with a paint job. And we got dirt nibs all up inside that. You know what's sad? Having such a nice high-end car and having a bad paint job. I'd probably value the paint job, I'd say about $2 grand. I don't know if it's a wrap job or what, but they did not a nice job. This whole hood has orange peel, it has dirt nibs under it. Like, see scratches, it has swirl marks. So that's what we need to avoid. We don't want to be painting things like that. I've done and I've seen way better garage paint jobs than this here. It's pretty nice. I wonder what year this is. Yamaha. Yeah, it's got some pretty nice paint. Ooh, so this here is a local car, G-body. Oh man, this thing's nice. Yeah, I've seen this car online. Very nice car. For sure it's been painted before. Very nice. Pretty straight. I mean, see a little flaws. You know, kind of on the bodywork. When you kind of look at it from this angle, you can see a couple little dings and stuff. Looks like it was a little dirt nip there that got wet sand and polish. But overall, really nice. So yeah, it's all about the right steps. If you want to learn the right steps, that's where the key is. So if you want to learn how to paint your car, then click the link below and check out my free mini course where I show you the 4 parts of paint and bodywork, where you could be painting better than this from your garage. I know because I've done it.